That's the Isle of Portland off in the distance. I hope the Action 4 is picking that up. But look at that, look, absolutely beautiful. The 13th of July 94, 1st of the 6th 24. Oh dear. Oh, good. Just what you want in front of you going back, innit? So that stretch of water this side of that shingle bank, that's Chesil Beach, the shingle bank. Now that runs all the way from Portland, all the way down to West Bay. And the water this side, it is salt water, and that's called the Fleet, which is a nature reserve. I don't know whether the camera's picking up. You can probably see all the swans. There is a swannery there. The kids can go and watch the cygnets being hatching and what have you. So we'll get another look at this car that's soon to park on its roof in the field. There she blows. Not even sure what it used to be. Took that bloody signpost out, that's for sure.